Hey there, my name's Drew Brashler, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Behringer Flow 8 for use with a Stereo IEM. So if you're brand new to my channel, I'm all about helping you feel more confident in your production gear no matter where you're starting from. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now I have the Behringer Flow 8 here, and I have my trusty microphone here, so we can hear this, check, check, check. But if I'm wanting to get this set up for sending to some stereo in-ears, there's one adjustment that I really desperately need to make on this mixer, and it's in the menu section. So go ahead and press menu, and then we're going to rotate all the way over till we get to outputs. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to monitor link, and then we're going to set this to on. And then once we click that, this now has set our monitor 1 and 2 to a stereo pair. So 1 is going to be left, 2 is going to be right. Now, when I go and adjust this microphone into my monitor settings, we will see that monitor 2 is flashing. So we can see that my offset light is on here, so I need to lower this or raise this until we get to the level that it's currently at, which we can see that it's at negative infinity. So I'm going to lower this all the way down. We can now see that that offset light is off, and we can then start raising this up into my mixer here. So this microphone is now going to my monitors, which is what I wanted. Now, if we were wanting to have this panned, this panning would copy what is being sent to the mains. And so if I want to go ahead and pan this, I can go to my app here, and I can change the panning of this here. So if I change it all the way over to the left, we'll notice that on my mains, it's on the left, and on my monitors, it's also on the left. If we wanted to change this panning to be on the right, then we can swap that over, and now I'm on the right-hand side of my monitors. Now, one other cool function of the Flow 8 is you can actually utilize the headphone jack as your monitors. So you can actually use this as a headphone amp for one of your musicians. So if we wanted to do that, we can go to menu, and we can go all the way over to output and then to phones, and then we want to set this to be monitor post or monitor pre. And so by changing this to be monitor, that makes it so that the headphone jack is now a monitor for your monitor section of the Flow 8. And so we have our headphone volume here, so we can raise or lower that. And if we set this to post, what that means is that that is going to be post the main volume of monitor 1 and 2. If you have this set to pre, then that's going to make this so that this monitor level of monitor 1 and 2 doesn't affect the overall volume of this headphone jack. So you could have two people on the same set of monitor, and you can have one with an independent volume here, and then as well as an independent volume here on the master going out to your transmitter. One final thing that a lot of people are going to ask about is how to get their effects going into the monitors. And that is actually going to be a setting inside of routing on our mixer. And we can see that we can send our effects 1 and 2 to monitor 1 and 2. So if you're wanting to have our effects routed into our monitor, then we can simply select all of these for turning on all of our effects into our monitors. I hope this video was helpful for you today. If you do happen to have any questions or specific video requests that you want me to make for you, feel free to put that in the comment section below, as I'm always reading through those comments to find videos that are going to be helpful for you. If you haven't already, make sure to become a subscriber to my channel. Also, if any of these videos have been helpful for you and you just want a way to say thank you to me, consider becoming a member of my channel, as that's one way of being able to give back to me and say thank you. Make sure to check out drewbrashler.com. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.